better than nothing. It's not exactly what we want, but they're saying Friday through Saturday we're supposed to get over an inch of rain, so we really need it. We have gone 6 weeks without any rain, so it's been kind of rough moisture-wise. We tried to do some tillage, and we're bringing up clumps about this big of dirt, and nothing's breaking apart. It's really hard to break everything apart, so, and it pulls really hard on the tractor, so hopefully we get some rain here soon. just finishing up with this field here. It got too tough out last night to finish up, so a lot of that was going on where it clump up on the cutter bar, so, or on the sickle bar on the grain head. So yeah, but we finished this up. We just got rained on here and didn't really stop us.
Well, this morning it was raining crappy out, and once it hit like 3 o'clock it really got nice out, so we're all cutting right now. I'd say we got about 15 acres done so far here. It's my guess. So the dust is flying out. It's starting to get dark out, but it actually is pretty dark out. So yeah, but it's going good. Yeah, we ran in the rain for a little bit this morning, so it wasn't that bad actually. The only thing is that the soybeans, the stalk started grinding through the combine, and it didn't last all that long. Once the rain stopped, you know, it went through just fine, but I gotta figure out what's wrong with that light, why it does that. Whenever I hit a bump, the thing goes and turns on. I'm gonna go out and see if it's getting tough yet, because this is about the time it started getting tough last night, and then we weren't able to combine. Let's take a little walk out here. Yeah, it's starting to get a little tough out, but this stuff should still go for a while. I'll get to some of these taller stalks here. Yeah, we'll be going for a little bit yet tonight. So tomorrow we're gonna start high moisture corn, hopefully. It's not gonna be much. So it's about the same every year. It's roughly 30 some acres. So I think last year we had a little bit more to do, but we have lightning on the horizon, so it's gonna be one of those days again. Yeah, their strikes are going all over the place over there. Well, Dad's on his way to go over and grab the semi, the other semi, because we filled up the one that we have here right now, and hopefully we're gonna take and load that. But by the looks of it and what I see coming from the sky, I'll be lucky if I'll be able to do 4 passes. So yeah, stuff was starting to get a little tough out, but it's actually doing really well. So we'll see how much rain we get tonight. I'll have to see on that, because we might do some high moisture corn tomorrow if it rains a lot. So, but if we can get rolling on the beans, then we're gonna do the beans. first. So anyways, yeah, it's about 8:30 or 8:20, so going a whopping 3 miles an hour. I know we need the rain badly, but we don't need it exactly right now. I wanted to load another truck. Okay, I gotta tarp that other load. Alrighty, so it's gonna do it for today, guys. So hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Jake Lins. Talk to you guys later.